Today, we will have our first session of First Step to Injection Moulding 4.0, organized by MPMA, supported by HRDF, involving 4 participating companies: LH+, Marsing, TriPlus, and Plasform.
And Industry 4.0 is about how can we do this customization in a relatively automated way.
When we started Industry 4.0 in May 2015, some people said that we were too early. We were not early. We were the pioneer.
When we look back 10 years on, back to this day, back to this group of people in this auditorium, I believe this will be seen as a historic milestone in the drive towards Industry 4.0 in Malaysia.
The vision of the program is to implement smart manufacturing for the many companies. And when we say many companies, what we want to make sure is that we can come up with creative, people-centric innovation solution to help companies to embark on the journey towards Industry 4.0, especially for the small, medium enterprises.
When I first started, I thought, oh, this program is going to be a little bit heavy, which it is actually. But I think it's worthwhile to go through it. During the program, we actually go through some of the material 2 or 3 times, and it enables the student to reinforce what they've learned the first round with revision, second round, third round.
After going through all these courses, I found that we can actually identify the key defects that we're having. So you have to go step by step, from step 1 until step 7 and 8.
Macam kita fresh graduate, ada certain yang kita tak belajar dekat tempat kita, universiti kita. Tapi dekat sini kita dapat trainer yang betul-betul expert dalam bidang molding. So dia akan ajar daripada A to Z. So banyak calculation yang sebenarnya dekat tempat universiti kita mungkin kita miss out ataupun tak diajar. Tapi dekat sini kita boleh nampak macam mana kita nak relatekan mold material dengan machine.
They teach you basics like from tooling and machine, then on towards to maintenance wise, and then to the smart manufacturing in terms of changing the factory layout concept. So it's a very good course to take.
We chose to work with 4 companies: LH+, Marsing, Plasform, and TriPlus. We're also very fortunate because we have governments who are very supportive. PSMB is giving us a lot of support. MIDA through the DISF, Domestic Investment Strategic Funding. With all this holistic approach, MPMA is doing a part to bring them to the next level.
From this pilot phase, we will be refining the program to uniquely help Malaysia manufacturers compete globally. And we want to create a synergistic ecosystem where private and training entities, together with support from the government, can help SMEs take their first step towards Industry 4.0.
I think what we're doing here is the first step, and we are hoping that the plastic industry will continue to be hungry to learn more and more things so that we can all fit into the Industry 4.0 that is coming to hit us. I believe that it's only a first step, so it will be maybe 15-20 years later before we can achieve Industry 4.0. So this is the message I have for anybody who is thinking about this, and particularly for MPMA. We really hope that we can do this well and make ourselves a showcase for Southeast Asia, if not for the world.